Quick reading for January the 15th to January the 16th, Leo. So we have the Knight of Cups, the Devil card, and the Ten of Pentacles. Parang meron ditong taong tinetest, no? Someone is testing the other person's patience. Probably someone is testing the other person's ano ba. Marami kasi dito mga ginagawa eh. Parang sinabi naman nitong tinetest, no? Whether this is you or your person, parang sinabi, kahit anong test pa yan, no? Kahit paakyatin mo ako ng 7 bundok, no? Pag-igibin mo ako, pagsibakin mo ako ng kahoy, that's fine with me. Parang gusto ko lang patunayan yung nararamdaman ko sa'yo. And what I felt for you is true and genuine. So, ito namang nagtetest. Ganun ba? So parang mas lalong nagbibigay ng mga challenges, intentional yung siguro pang-aasar, parang pinupunde, no, itong taong 'to. Pero feeling ko ang hindi magwawagi itong namumunde dahil, parang talagang super seryoso, may gustong patunayan, 'no, at gusto niya talagang, makuha either yung trust mo or yung pagmamahal mo muli, 'no? This is your quick reading, Leo, for January the 15th to January the 16th.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars align. I am